Dear students, today we will start on the next chapter, that is natural disaster. Let us discuss different things in natural disasters. Very interesting chapter. What is natural disaster? Natural disaster refers to negative effect of naturally occurring phenomena. Natural disasters are the disasters which are totally natural elements, means which are not caused by man, which are not caused by human being, which are not caused by man. For example, flood is there, so is it possible for me or you to cause flood? No. Certain reasons or certain causes are because of man or because of human being, but floods cannot be there because of human beings only. Landslides cannot be there because of human beings. So these are naturally occurring elements. These are totally naturally occurring elements which affect or which brings or which bring total disaster, which bring negative impacts on human beings, which bring negative impacts on agriculture, means which bring heavy losses of life, of population, of agriculture, of vegetation, of marine life, etc., etc. These are the natural elements which affect human life, especially. For now, in this chapter we will discuss volcanism, landslide, desertification, flood, cyclones, earthquake, forest fires. And do you know, to prevent these natural elements or to prevent these natural disasters, Pakistan has made an authority that was named as NAGMA, Pakistan Natural Disaster Management Authority. And do you know what is the purpose of NAGMA? The purpose of NAGMA was to issuance of warnings, means if there is any flood, the purpose it has to issue the warnings that leave the place. Then management, if flooding is there, if earthquake is there, if cyclones are there, if earthquakes are there, if forest fires are there, the purpose of this authority is to manage the things, to to prevent the thing, provision of relief to the people, provision of relief. These all come in the category of relief to people, means for example affected people are there, affected vegetations are there, affected areas are there. So the purpose of this authority to relieve the people, to bring relief to people. Now let us come to first topic or first natural disaster, that is volcanism. What is volcanism? Volcanism, ejection of molten rocks, hot dry rocks, fragments and hot gases from 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 a volcano is termed as volcanism, means naturally occurring of ejection of molten material. The molten material, when molten material is liquid material of rocks come out from a vent. The area where lava comes out is called a vent. When lava comes out, what happens? This activity is called volcanism. Have you got my point? When molten rocks or ejection of molten rocks, means ejection of lava, means जो इसके अंदर material होता है, when it comes out, hot dry rocks, fragments and hot gases, they all come out from a vent, is called volcanism. Now what are the certain types of material ejected during the volcanism which causes destruction? Let us discuss the destruction, let us discuss the causes, and let us discuss the element which of volcanism which cause destruction. First of all, lava coming out of a vent of a volcano moves slowly, and it can move to a long distance. Do you know, the lava comes out slowly. It's also maybe a help by Allah that it comes out slowly and it gives time to people to move from that area. So the lava which comes out slowly, it moves to a long distance and it creates a lot of destruction. Then hot dry fragment, rocky fragment. Do you know hot dry rocky fragments come out of a vent of the volcanism, moves at a higher speed? Hot dry rocky fragments. What are hot dry rocky fragments? They are the dried parts of the rocks. Which comes out from the vents. Have you got my point? What are the hot rocky materials? What are hot and rocky fragments? Fragments are smaller parts. The smaller parts which comes out from the vent in the form of lava is called hot rock. Hot rocks or hot rocks fragments. Fragment means small parts. Then fragments of lava and rocky materials are termed as tephra. Do you know what is tephra? The fragments of lava and rocky material. We have discussed lava and hot and dry rocky material. These both comes out from a vent is called tephra, and this tephra moves very high into the air. Means from vent it comes out at the speed of a gush. It comes out with a gush. वो gush की speed से मतलब बहुत तेज़ी से बाहर निकलता है और बहुत ऊपर तक जाता है. Then very fine sized fragments of rocky materials and lava are also blown into air during an explosive volcanic eruption. This type of material is known as volcanic ash. Do you know what is ash? Ash, you have come across cigarette ash, जो बिल्कुल छोटा छोटा उसका मटेरियल होता है. सो वेरी फाइन साइज फ्रेगमेंट्स ऑफ रॉकी मटेरियल, वेरी फाइन साइज रॉकी मटेरियल comes out, that is called volcanic ash. It's also a type of destruction. Then gases of volcano. Gases of volcano, obviously when it's too hot, when lava is too hot and it comes out from the vent along with other material, obviously it also releases gases. So these gases which comes out from the volcano enter into the atmosphere and cause destruction. So these are all the types of destruction material that comes out from the vent. Thank you. It's also your first long 2.